Okay, so we're going to continue in problem 2.4, and we've already answered problems A, 1 and 2, and B1. So this is now moving on to B2. So we're looking at 460 people visiting the Big Fun amusement park, and so we want to estimate the probability of rain. So we need the equation for Big Fun, which is this one. The attendance of Big Fun is negative 7.5 times the probability of rain plus the 1,000. And again, that's just the equation we've already derived. So in solving it, in this case, we're just going to put in the numbers into the equation. And since the attendance was 460, then that 460 equals the negative 7.5 times the probability plus the 1,000. And so now in this equation we need to solve for the letter P, which is probability of rain. And the sort of classic algebra way to do this would be to sort of undo the problem. And normal order of operations would be multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction. So if we're working backwards, we're going to undo the addition, subtraction piece first. So I'm going to subtract 1,000 from both sides of this equation. And I like to work up and down in this case so that I see that I am taking away 1,000, which makes this 0 and leaves me with negative 7.5 times the probability. And then over here, 460 minus 1,000 is a negative 540, which makes sense, again, because when we multiplied whatever this number was, which probability was a positive number, then we should end up with a negative number over here. So now the last step in finding the probability of rain would be to undo this part. And since it's negative 7.5 times P, then if I divide by negative 7.5 on both sides, and see now this becomes just 1 times P, or P, the probability of rain. And then this part here, negative 540 divided by negative 7.5, you know, a negative divided by a negative is going to be a positive, and so I'll just go ahead and use my calculator to do that calculation for me. Negative 540 divided by negative 7.5, and then I have the probability of rain, which is 72%. And that's what I was after in that particular question. 72%. If you have 460 people come to the amusement park and you use the equation, you get 72% showing up, 70% chance of rain for that question. And that's the end of question number 2.